2x, 2x, and 3x. I'm actually fully hoping you to get the multipliers. There is no sarcasm. It's actually no. I mean, why wouldn't I? Come on. You see, 3x on a lightning storm. That's a number 14. That's what I'm talking about. Follow me. Welcome to the lightning storm. Woo! Well, 3x multiplier. All right. It's time to choose the strike. Strike number 1, strike number 2, or strike number 3. You're gonna begin with the strikes. If you're not gonna pick by yourself, I'll pick will pick for you. Looks like we got 43% of players choosing strike number 2, and we're moving to strike number 1. Come on, some global multipliers, that's what we need. But we start with 120x on a strike number 1. So for strike 120x, we are moving to the strike number 2. Strike number 2, maybe, the global multiplier, come on, please 5. Oh, well, 3x it is. 3x multiplier and strike number 2 on a global. Let's see, come on, show me some spice. Well, 360x multiplier this time. 360x multiplier. Well, could be better, but I'm not gonna get it. So, can we get another global, please? No global multipliers. Maybe. Okay, 120x. So 120, 360, and 120x. Congratulations to all the winners. Going back to the wheel.
Favorite duo? Like favorite friendship, favorite duo? Not a couple, duo. I want to hear your answers before I answer mine. Alright, ladies, let's see what's going to be the winning segment here. Can we reach a fireball with a 15x? That would be extremely great, extremely amazing. If we could get it, we got it, okay? Nice, you guys. It's a fireball with a 15x multiplier. Woo! Okay, guys, it's actually so exciting. 15x, so let's go and upgrade everything. Nice. Okay, the max multiplier is 7,500. Here we go. And 300, ladies and gentlemen, we got a 300x multiplier for this fireball round. Woo! Here we go. And joining us, ladies and gentlemen, and all together, it's a 770 winner. It's amazing. 300x is what we got. And joining us, betting size over 3 right now. Once again, let's go for the new spin. All right.
I do understand that some of that's the way how in communication we are using this grotesques phrases to just a way to show things, but they're not correct. I'm just like the super rational person. That's it. That's the number 9. We got a fireball. Fireball, guys. Fireball it is. Well, the highest multiplier is 500x. Good luck to everyone. Yes. Hey, look at this, guys. 500x. That's what we got here. Nicely done. Perfect corner. Hey, what we got here?
and gentlemen,